Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a couple of months worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I do Bitcoin on a very routine basis, basically 5 days a week. So did this one 24 hours from now, and want to get things updated as things are not looking so good. And you know, that all kind of depends on your perspective. So I'm making that comment more so in the shorter term. And why do I say things are not looking so good? Well, if you use charts, and you probably know what pattern here I'm about to draw. But you have, you know, the price pulled back here. Now the price has found some support right here at about 8,100, give or take. But then you also have this downtrend line like this. So, you know, if you put your imagination cap on and put a golf hole up here, you know, this kind of looks like an upside down pennant. Or in the technical terms, as far as the pattern is concerned, this would be a bear pennant pattern. So in the very short term, this is a bear pennant. Now, the nice thing, though, is that there's no such thing as a guarantee in the market. So just because this is a bearish pattern does not mean that the price is for sure going downwards. Now, would it be shocking to see the price continue to pull back? No, that would not be shocking at all. But myself nor anyone else can sit here and say that for sure the price is pulling back. But yeah, there's no doubt about it. And like I said, you know, anybody would agree this is just a very basic pattern here that anybody that uses charts, you know, would be able to recognize. So bear pennant is what's occurring right now on the 4-hour time frame. And as I already discussed, you know, 8,100 in the very short term is that level of support. But what about if the price gets, you know, continuation to the downside and breaks? Where's the next level of support? Well, this is what I talked about, I believe, in yesterday's video. But 7,800 is that next key overall level of support. Am I saying that if the price breaks below 8,100, that within a matter of hours it's going to be at 7,800? I'm not saying that at all. But would it be, you know, shocking for the price to just drift down there? No, that wouldn't be shocking at all. I mean, that's what the price has been doing for the past several days. That wasn't really a drift. That was a pretty nasty move there. But other than that, you know, it's kind of just been drifting its way downwards and downwards. So right now, though, 8,100 is putting up a good fight. So you got to give credit where credit's due. But again, with a break of 8,100, like I said, it would not be shocking at all to see the price go down and at least test the 7,800 mark. I'll zoom back in here as we talk about resistance levels. But resistance, nothing too shocking, nothing really new from yesterday's video when I did it. It's still all about the purple line right there, which is a 50-period simple moving average. You know, taking a quick stroll down memory lane, you can see right there acted as resistance. Right there, got somewhat next to it. Right here, got within the realm of it, got rejected back down. So that purple line is definitely that key level of resistance going forward. But as it stands right now, kind of the big question, at least in my mind, is can 8,100 hold, or are the bears going to get continuation and push to the downside? We shall see, but I'll see you back 24 hours from now. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.